and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. So today is the pack with me. I'm also about to go get a pedicure and a manicure, and then I'm gonna run to Sephora, get a few things for the trip. I think I have a Nordstrom order coming in, so we'll do a little haul and share all that because a lot of it I think I'm probably gonna take with me, and then we are going to start packing. So yeah, let's go ahead and go get a mani-pedi. Alright, so we are back from Target getting the nails done, ran to Sephora. So I'll do a little Sephora haul. I've already posted it on Instagram and I believe TikTok at this point. So I'll just do a quick overview, but that's why things are out of their packaging. Also picked up the mail and I got something from Chanel. It's literally just one product or one item for one of the products that I just got. Let's start with Sephora and then I'll go into Chanel because again, I got this for one of the items. I got my regular favorite hair products. So I got a Flex hairspray. I like this one because I feel like it works better in humidity and I don't know what the weather is going to be like. So wanted to get that. Also got a dry shampoo. The Moroccan Oil Dark Tones is my favorite. So I picked those two up. And then I got another hand sanitizer. I'm going to bring my open one with, so I just wanted to replenish. But this is my favorite hand sanitizer and scent from the brand. So I have that. And then I got two of the Saint Laurent Candy Craze lip balms. So I got 2 and 15. I'm probably going to bring both of these because it's a light and a dark. Moving those to the side. I got the Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palette. I've been wanting to try this. Here is the palette. I've heard just so many great things about it. And of course, I've seen it like all over social media. And then the items from Rare Beauty. So with the Rare Beauty items, I got the tinted moisturizer. I tried it on in store and I got color matched too. Feels just like a moisturizer. And then I also got the Positive Light Under Eye Brightener. I got the light medium. So yeah, that is the Sephora haul. And then as for Chanel, so we got some samples, of course. Let me show y'all the brush. So this is brush 101. This was like a recommended brush, like the style for when it comes to this moisturizer. And even when they put it on me, they used one that was a little bit shorter with the bristles, but I think it'll be perfect. Right, so at Target, I got some just normal essentials and I got stuff for my husband. So this is what my husband wanted. And then I got Tide to Go, a lint roller, Midol, and then these cotton swabs. I always lose this little case thing, but got all that for the trip. And then we'll need to pack all of this. As y'all can see, I already somewhat started packing. Oh, and I got these really cute belts because I've been wanting to add some belts to my outfits and some of the dresses that I'm packing. I think could be improved with a belt. So this little set was like $16. And again, I'll have everything linked below that I can link if I haven't said it yet. But they're like super adjustable. And I like that it came with like the 3 main colors that I would need. So yeah, have all of that. That is all the hauls. So I never really unpacked from Dallas when I did my little weekend trip with my best friend. So there's still a lot of things in here. And then I've just been throwing things in here randomly. So this is my Jam Cosmetic case. It is going to hold all of my like eyeshadow, eyeliner, makeup, minus like the palettes. I'm keeping them in here. And this is going to hold all of the other toiletries. So I have makeup remover over here. These are little Chanel samples. Deodorant. I have dry shampoo from Living Proof. Heat protectant from IGK. It's my favorite heat protectant. Chanel sunscreen. Chanel hand cream. This is travel moisturizer. Gold Bond. And then I have my Chanel No. 5 purse spray. So now we'll just need to add the stuff that we got today. I thought I was out of dry shampoo and apparently I'm not. I think I'm going to take my Moroccan oil instead because it's my favorite one. Let's bring in the hairspray. We might move this over here as well as this. That's where it normally goes. just because I feel like I'm gonna have to put in a lot more stuff in here. We have the new eyeshadow palette, so let's put that there. I really need a tripod. The moisturizer from Rare Beauty. We have the eye brightening cream, which I think I'm just gonna put on top of that. And then I think I'll place the lint roller in here. And then let's put the Tide to Go pen in here. So got that. Q-tips we'll put over here. Actually, let's move the sunscreen back over here. And then close this up. All right, so I had to take out the hand cream, but everything else fits, so we'll call that a win. We'll move this since I put in the other dry shampoo, and we'll throw this in here. And then this is all the everyday cosmetics that I typically bring with me. I'm going to be switching this up to put all of my planner stuff in here. So we'll need to throw all this in here as well. And I'll probably need to filter out what's actually in there. All right, so I'm just going to keep everything in here, but I took out like 2 things. I have my perfume spray that I actually keep ibuprofen in. So it's a really cute pill holder. And then I just have mascaras, lip glosses, my everyday perfume spray, lip balm, hair ties, just random stuff. So we'll just keep all that in here. I'll probably move the hand cream into this little pouch, which we'll go over in a second, but this is good. And inside my Dior Backstage brush holder, we have more hair ties, bobby pins, Chanel cottons just to use when I take off my makeup and clean my face. Might need to add some more in there. The Chanel compact mirror, and then all of my eyeshadow brushes. So we're gonna add the new one. All right, so I got all the brushes, and then we'll put this in here. I think the matte papers can actually fit in here. Yeah, so we'll do that, and then this is good to go. Right, and then this pouch will hold my toothbrush, and then I have a travel toothpaste in there. This is a little bag full of stuff for the shower, so I have like these shower gels, and then I'll actually put the hand cream in here as well. And then I'll put my hot tools in here as well. Hairbrush, and then again hot tools will go in there once we're done, so that's all I'll keep in there. And then this typically goes right here, and then that is all the cosmetics and toiletries. That's the most like time consuming part, is making sure I have everything. So we have those. For shoes, I have these heels from Target, and then I have a pair of like open-toed, I guess like, I don't know what you call them, sandals or booties, that I think I'm going to bring for more casual. That'll bring in, like, blend in with the belt. I think I'm going to take all 3 belts just in case. And because they're so compact, I'm going to put them in my niece Nano. So let me grab those shoes and we'll put those in here. Okay, so we have the brown shoes I was talking about. Like, I don't know how to describe those. The belts, but see how they go so well. My heels, and then I'll probably put a pair of like sandals in here. I'm thinking about actually taking this one out and taking it with me on the plane so I can do my makeup, because we leave early in the morning. And then we'll leave those 2 flat. And that's everything on this side. I will put all of my underwear and everything in here, probably in a bit and off camera. And then here's what we have on this side. So I'm using my Erin Condren packing cubes, and I'm using my beige suitcase this time. I might switch to the Delsey. I honestly haven't fully decided yet. So we have this, and then here's like the smaller one. Right now I've just put everything in here. I'm also going to do an unpack with me once we get to the hotel, so I can show y'all everything that I brought. I've just been slowly putting things in here, and so that way y'all can see all of the outfits. But I really wanted to focus this part of the video on this side, and then when we get there and I unpack, I'll share everything that's in here. But this is where all the clothes are going. I think I'll put like casual clothes and stuff in here for like, you know, just lounge wear, things like that, things I'll sleep in. And then I'll have some space to put, I guess, things that I buy. I don't know. So that's what we currently have. Okay, guys, so it is the day before the trip, and I did end up switching into my Delsey. I just like my luggage to match, and so I'll be using my Erin Condren carry-on this trip. I really have been loving it. I ordered the new black one. It's like a black quilted. I was hoping that would come in time, and it didn't. But what I love most is that there's like 2 pockets on the outside, and I can fit my iPad mini into one and a book in the other. So I really love that because it's so convenient, especially on the plane. I don't have to worry about taking things in and out. So I really love it for that. But to show y'all, I think where we left off was like the clothes side. So I added my underwear into this pouch. So I have, let me show y'all, the clothes that's like every day, and then for school, then like loungewear. I have my Saint Laurent bone holder over here in its case. Underwear, different things like that. I would need to add it in Spanx, so we'll add in that and then close that up, and that's on this side. Over here we have my heels, the new belts that I just bought, some white sandals because I'm bringing my bag, my white Saint Laurent Mini Lou bag. And then these just for a more casual look. I have my niece Minnie in here, the eyeshadow pouch, and then I put in my straightener, toothbrush, and just random items, toothpaste. Toothpaste is in here, but then I have my brush. So that is everything for this side. And then I am gonna put my books probably like right here for school. So I bring my books with, and that way I don't have to carry it on my shoulder. So I'll just put them in here if it'll fit, but I think it should. So that's everything in the suitcase. And then for the carry-on, so as I mentioned, it's the Erin Condren carry-on. We have my iPad mini in its case with a pen, so I can have my Apple Pencil in there. I just got this book at Barnes & Noble and really excited to start the Thrawn series from Star Wars and just start reading the Star Wars books. I have my Chanel Surf Tote in here. I'll be using this for class. I needed something slightly bigger, so I'm just storing it in here for the plane. We are carry-on packers only. If you're new to my channel, I don't like checking bags, and so we have my tote. My agenda is in my tote. I have my Gucci sunglasses in here and a Chanel case, my reading glasses. I have the Chanel pouch. I ended up putting my planner accessories in. Oh, I forgot to mention my Louis Vuitton Pasha accessory. So I always use this for chargers and tech. And there was enough room since I got recently upgraded to a new MacBook Pro with an M2 chip. It's just smaller in size, which is the main reason why I did it. But the new MacBooks have a smaller charger, so I can fit a lot more in here now. So I have my pens and stuff on the side. So I have that in the pochette accessory that's in here. And then I have my niece Nano over here. This has like my prescriptions and stuff. So I don't think I've shown this yet. So let me open her up. So I have my prescription. I have the menstrual cycle pills, and then jewelry. And then this is a tech holder that my husband got for both of us for our last trip. So I just put it in here because this goes on my nightstand. So this is like all nightstand items. And then I'm gonna put it just in here since it has my prescription, so I can take it in the morning and I don't have to open my suitcase. So we have that on the side. My MacBook is currently charging, but this has a MacBook holder. I put my 16-inch in here when I had it, so it does fit a 16-inch. So the 13 will fit just fine. But that'll go in here. Again, I have my agenda in here. I have my GM cosmetic case with my makeup. And then I have my Saint Laurent Mini Lou that I'm bringing. And so right now it just has my glasses holder. And then I need to switch bags, and I'll put my card holder in here. I think that's really the only thing that I'm taking out of my personal bag that I'm using. But when we land, I'll have everything in here, including my sunglasses. So I'll just be able to take it out and start using it and don't have to worry about like taking it out of the suitcase. So all of that is in here. And I think that is everything for right now. So yeah, we have a few last minute things to do. I'm about to go run to a hair appointment and a blowout and say goodbye to Mira. And yeah, I will see y'all in Newburgh when we unpack all of this, and I'll show y'all exactly what I packed for clothes. So we are in Portland, so I'm gonna do some unpacking. I don't think I changed anything from the last time y'all saw the suitcase. So I'm gonna unpack all this, show y'all how I'm gonna store it, and then everything that I brought My husband and I also went shopping and I found a dress at H&M, so I'll share that as well. That's the only thing that I got, so I'll potentially wear that during residency. So let's put up all the clothes and unpack. So the sink is set up, or is set up as it's gonna get, because I just use everything out of each bag. But we got the cosmetic cases, the brushes, hot tools, toothbrush, everything over here. Here is my side of the bed. So I have the stand that I was talking about that we got off of Amazon. And again, I'll have everything linked below that I can link. My niece Nano that has my prescriptions and jewelry in here. iPad mini, my pochette accessory with chargers, my book that I was reading, and then a pop that we bought while we were shopping. Here is inside the closet. So my husband let me take the closet since I have all the clothes that needs to be hung up. So I have just my sandals here, heels, the wedges. I have the belts over here, and each belt matches each shoe, which I kind of love, so I can mix and match. This is the dress that I got today. Just a cute little cross dress. I don't know if it'll be long enough for residency, but if anything, I'll probably wear it tomorrow. I have this white dress. It is, I think everything in here is actually from H&M. So this is a little like crossover dress as well. I think it's called Surplus. I can't remember. This one's in beige. This is a one that you can like tie a bow in, but I like to keep it open. Got some sleeves. It's kind of like a satin t-shirt dress with like ruching and everything. This is a button-up dress. So this is like the one that I really wanted to wear a belt with. So you have the collar, buttons, and then you have the little section, and then you got a dress. So I'll probably pair like the brown belt with this one, and then the wedges one day. Another green dress. This one might be for casual, we'll see. I brought a mixture so that way I can like choose between different ones based off whatever I want to wear. And then this is like the beige one, just in black, and it's again that little like cross design dress. So all the dresses are in here. And then on the hooks, I have my jean jacket just for every day, my Saint Laurent phone holder for going out. Right now, my mini Lou is over here. That's the bag that I'm currently using. We got some sodas and waters, as I mentioned, took her shoes off, but I got my Louis Vuitton sneakers here. Then on the desk, I have my Chanel surf tote that I'll be using, my agenda and books. And then here's my drawer. So it's a mix of everything. So I have skirts over here for like going out and casual. All of my underwear is in here. Some loungewear shorts, some Nike shorts over here, jean shorts, just a mixture of different clothes in here. So this is all just more for every day. And then that is everything that I have packed for residency and this trip. It's the longest that I've been here, so I definitely packed a little bit more than I typically do. One thing that I just discovered when I was unpacking is that I actually left my MacBook. So my husband's gonna let me borrow his iPad Pro for residency. It's the first time I've ever done that. I've always brought more than one MacBook. So luckily he's with me this time so I can use his iPad. He's unpacking now. But I don't know what I would have done without it because I just have my iPad mini and I wouldn't want to use that for school. So luckily he's here. I can use his 11-inch Pro. It's actually the one that I used to have. And so it has a full keyboard, so I should be good. I'm just gonna sync it with my iCloud. But yeah, I can't believe I did that. But yeah, other than that, that is gonna be it for this video. If you all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.